Jerry back with @TheatricallyJerry, and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video of BeTopper's CLB260. Now, I will have an in-depth review on this on my channel @TheatricallyJerry, so if you're not following, go ahead and follow my channel. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Anyways, I like to do unboxing videos to show you guys the condition of the light fixture when it arrives to you, because there are a lot of companies that don't package their fixtures well and they arrive to you broken. So I wanted to show you the quality of the packaging from BeTopper. So anyways, the box comes to you in a standard boring brown box, which is great, simply because it's double boxed. So as you can see, USPS did some real damage to it. It looks like something UPS would have sent to me, but no, this was shipped by USPS. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and unbox this, but in order to do that, we need to grab our handy dandy scissors. So let me go ahead and cut this open. I'm going to go ahead and open this box up so we can kind of show you guys how this is packaged. So like I just stated, these are double boxed, so when you do get these, don't be alarmed if the outside box doesn't look that great, because the inside box will look okay. And this is, as stated, BeTopper's CLB260. This is one of their full power compact beams. This is not a LED light fixture. This is one of their Sirius lamps from Osram. But anyways, as you can see, when you open up the brown box, you're going to get another box. This is the retail packaging from BeTopper. You don't see a lot of manufacturing companies overseas putting this much thought into their box design. So this actually looks really nice. And as stated, this is the Osram 251W. So it's a 251 watt lamp inside this fixture. It's not an LED fixture. The total power is 320 watts. And I will get into more of that information later on in the in-depth review. I just kind of wanted to show you guys how this is going to arrive to you. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up so I can show you guys BeTopper's packaging. And I've been very pleased with their packaging on a lot of their light fixtures. They come just like they would when they leave the factory, which is what you want when you're spending money on a light fixture. So I always think that's cool. Anyways, the first thing you're going to see when you open this box is your user manual. I suggest keeping this and reading it because it's going to have all of your DMX channel values, as well as information on how to replace the lamp. This particular lamp, if it explodes, it has mercury in it, so you do need to follow safety precautions when using this because it will leak mercury out. And the next thing you're going to be greeted with is BeTopper's warranty card. They do offer a warranty on their light fixtures. I think that's great. You do get a safety cable for when you hang your light. You do get a mounting bracket for your truss, as well as some what appears to be washers. And we do have a fisheye screw here. That is for the safety cable. And we do have a couple of bolts here, or screws, however you want to describe them, but we do have some screws here. All right, let's go ahead and take this fixture out. The next thing you're going to notice is they use very thick foam that is molded to the light. That is to protect it during shipping. Set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and flip this so you can actually see the inside. So these come with a plastic, what I call a poor man's dust cover, because I do like to keep the plastic bags as cheap dust covers for my light fixtures. It just obviously keeps the dust off so you don't have to deal with it when cleaning. Anyways, they have included a 3-pin DMX cable. That's very nice. It's not super long. It's about 3 feet. But if you have light fixtures, you have plenty of cables. I know I do. Here is your PowerCon power connector. They do include that with your purchase as well. We're going to go ahead and pull this light out. Set the box aside. All right, here is some more molded styrofoam. Nice and thick. Keeps the fixture from being damaged during shipping. So I love seeing that. We're going to go ahead and take off the poor man's dust cover here. And here is BeTopper's CLB260. And that's how it's going to arrive to you. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. I will be doing a in-depth review on this light soon, so stay tuned for that on my channel. If stuff like this interests you, DJ lighting, stage lighting, atmospherics, equipment, DMX control, tutorials, anything like that, go ahead and follow my channel at TheatricallyJerry. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about BeTopper or the CLB260 in general, go ahead and leave it down below. I do respond to all questions and comments as quickly as I can. And again, thank you guys for watching.